In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add dividers to your GoDaddy website. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to update. Once you are in the correct website settings, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy website builder. After the editor loads, go to the page where you want to place the divider. Scroll through the page and find the exact area where you want that divider to appear. This will help you place it in the right spot and keep the page layout clean and organized. If you want to separate content by creating a new section, click the Add Section button that appears between your existing sections. GoDaddy will show you a list of available section layouts. Look through the options and choose a layout that already includes a divider design, or pick a section that gives you divider settings in the editor. Once you find the one you want, add that section to your page. Next, open the settings for the section where you want to use the divider. In the section settings, look for the design controls or divider options. The exact wording may vary depending on the section type, but the divider settings are usually part of the section design tools. When you find the option, turn the divider on. If GoDaddy gives you more than one divider style, choose the one that fits your page best. You may see different shapes, lines, or design variations depending on the layout you selected. After that, adjust the divider placement if needed so it lines up correctly with the content around it. This is useful if you want the divider to create a clear visual break between sections. Once the divider is in place, review the page carefully. Make sure it appears in the correct location and that it looks balanced with the rest of your content. Then click Preview to see how the divider will look on the live version of your website. This gives you a chance to confirm that the spacing and design look right before you publish anything. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Your divider will now be visible to visitors and help create a more polished layout on the page. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.